This is the advanced PowerG Wireless Outdoor Curtain PIR Detector. It creates a narrow protective shield across windows, balconies, doors, driveways, and other entranceways. Small in size, weatherproof, pet immune, and complete with outstanding anti-masking capabilities. It delivers reliable outdoor detection while reducing false alarms. Let's begin installation by attaching the detector's mounting bracket to a firm, stable surface. Start by removing the detector from the mounting bracket, unscrewing the bottom screw, and pulling the detector down to release it from the bracket. Choose the location to place the mounting bracket according to the installation instructions to best cover the area you want to protect. The detector can be installed with or without the back tamper. If you want back tamper protection, mark and drill all 3 holes as seen here. If you do not want back tamper protection, drill 2 holes here. You must activate the detector before attaching it to the mounting bracket. First, open the battery cover by pressing on the snap located at the top, and separate the battery cover from the detector. Before enrolling the device to the control panel, remove the pull tab while holding the batteries in place. Please check the installation instructions for all enrollment options of the device to the control panel. If you enroll the device to a wireless panel with a version that does not support the device ID, please note it will be recognized with a different ID number. You can now choose the level of pet immunity you want by adjusting the pet immunity selector. Choose number 1 for pets under 18 kilograms or 40 pounds. Number 2 for pets under 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds. Or number 4 if you do not require pet immunity. To close the battery cover, first insert the bottom part of the cover. Then snap the upper part into place until you hear a click. You're now ready to install the device. To install the detector on the mounting bracket, the bracket must first be secured to a steady surface, in a vertical position as straight as possible. Once your mounting bracket is in place, choose the slot that will angle the detector for best coverage of the area, and attach the top of the detector there. This allows the detector to be installed with the bracket straight or turned. After the device is inserted into the bracket, it can be rotated to a more exact position. Once you've verified that your chosen area is protected, fasten the detector to the bracket while the LED is blinking by tightening the bottom screw. Let's see how to replace the batteries once the detector is already installed. First, separate the detector from the mounting bracket by unscrewing the bottom screw. Pull the detector down to release it from the bracket. Open the battery cover by pressing on the snap located on the top of the cover, and separate the battery cover from the detector. Now remove the batteries, and after 1 minute, insert 2 new 3-volt lithium batteries. Make sure the batteries are facing the correct direction. Now close the battery cover, first inserting the bottom part of the cover, then snapping the upper part closed until you hear a click. Insert the detector back into the bracket in the same position as it was before. Fasten the bottom screw, and you're done!